Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn goal seek feature of Excel. If you know the desired result from a formula but not sure what input value will generate that result, then we use goal seek feature. In other words, it would help to identify the input value to get the desired result. This feature is used in financial analysis or forecasting. For an example, we need aggregate 90% marks and we already have marks of 3 subjects. To identify the marks in fourth subject which will give aggregate 90% marks, we have to use goal seek feature. Now here for total marks we have used sum formula, and for aggregate we have used average function. To use goal seek feature, select data tab and in the forecast group click what if analysis and select goal seek option. In the set cell, select the cell having formula that you want to resolve. So here we want to resolve the aggregate marks. So select B7. In the to value box, enter the result that you want. So in our example, we want 90% aggregate. So enter 90. In the by changing cell, select the cell that contains the input value that we want to adjust. So in this example, this is cell B5. Click OK. Goal seek runs and produces the required result and input value. Here we should get 96 marks in science subject to get 90% aggregate. So in this way you can easily use goal seek feature to identify the input value to get the desired result. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.